Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most trusted source of automotive information on YouTube. Here in Part 2, we'll continue our exploration of the essential factors to consider when purchasing a car. We'll provide you with even more valuable insights to ensure you make a confident and reliable choice for your next vehicle. Don't forget to stay engaged by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing for the latest updates and expert advice on all your automotive needs. Let's dive right in. Regular maintenance and servicing. Proper and regular maintenance is the cornerstone of car reliability. Here are some essential steps to keep your vehicle in top shape. Scheduled maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. Regularly check and replace fluids, filters, belts, and spark plugs as per the guidelines. This proactive approach can help prevent potential issues and keep your car running smoothly. Oil changes. Regularly change the engine oil and oil filter as per the manufacturer's recommendations. Fresh oil lubricates the engine and prevents premature wear, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Tire care. Monitor tire pressure, rotate tires regularly, and ensure proper alignment. Well-maintained tires not only improve fuel efficiency but also enhance safety and handling. Brake inspection. Regularly inspect brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid levels. Well-functioning brakes are crucial for safe driving and prevent costly repairs down the line. Choosing the right extended warranty. An extended warranty can provide added protection and offer peace of mind beyond the manufacturer's warranty period. Consider the following factors when choosing the right extended warranty. Coverage. Ensure that the extended warranty covers major components and systems prone to failures. Look for comprehensive coverage that includes engine, transmission, electrical systems, and other critical parts. Terms and conditions. Thoroughly read and understand the warranty's terms and conditions. Pay attention to coverage limitations, deductibles, and any exclusions that may affect your claims. Provider reputation. Research and choose a reputable extended warranty provider. Look for reviews, customer feedback, and ratings to ensure you're dealing with a trustworthy company that will honor their commitments. Proper driving and maintenance practices. Your driving habits and maintenance practices have a significant impact on your car's reliability. Here are some practices to consider. Smooth driving. Avoid aggressive driving, sudden braking, and rapid acceleration. Smooth driving reduces stress on the engine and other components, improving their lifespan. Warm-up time. Allow your car's engine to warm up for a few minutes before driving off, especially in colder weather conditions. This helps ensure proper lubrication and operation of the engine. Avoid overloading. Don't exceed your vehicle's maximum load capacity. Overloading can strain the suspension, brakes, and drivetrain, leading to premature wear and reduced reliability. Cleanliness and protection. Keep your car clean both inside and out. Regularly wash and wax the exterior to protect the paint. Clean the interior to prevent dirt and debris from causing damage to sensitive components. By following these tips for improving car reliability, you can maximize the lifespan of your vehicle and reduce the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns. Remember, proactive maintenance, choosing the right extended warranty, and adopting good driving habits will go a long way in ensuring a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. Reliable car brands and models. When it comes to purchasing a car, reliability is a key factor to consider. After all, you want a vehicle that won't leave you stranded on the side of the road or constantly in need of repairs. Here we will explore the top reliable car brands as well as the most reliable car models in each segment. Top reliable car brands. Toyota. Toyota has built a reputation for manufacturing reliable and durable cars. Their vehicles are known for their longevity and low maintenance costs. Models like the Camry, Corolla, and RAV4 consistently receive high marks for reliability. Honda. Honda is another brand that consistently ranks high in reliability ratings. Their cars are known for their well-engineered engines and transmissions. The Honda Civic, Accord, and CR-V are popular models that offer a combination of reliability and practicality. Lexus. Lexus, the luxury brand of Toyota, is synonymous with reliability. These vehicles are built with attention to detail and feature advanced technology. The Lexus ES, RX, and NX are known for their reliability and luxurious driving experience. Subaru cars are renowned for their durability and performance, especially in adverse weather conditions. With their symmetrical all-wheel drive system, Subaru models like the Outback, Forester, and Impreza offer reliability and versatility. Mazda. Known for its sporty driving dynamics, Mazda also excels in reliability. Their cars are well built and offer a thrilling driving experience. Models like the Mazda 3, Mazda 6, and CX-5 are highly regarded for their reliability and stylish design. Most reliable car models by segment. Here are some of the most reliable car models in different segments. 1. Compact cars. Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, Mazda 3. 2. Midsize cars. Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, Mazda 6. 3. SUVs. Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, Subaru Outback. 4. Luxury cars. Lexus S, BMW 3 Series, Mercedes-Benz E-Class. 5. Pickup trucks. Toyota Tacoma, Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado. It's important to note that while these car brands and models have a reputation for reliability, individual experiences can vary. Regular maintenance, driving habits, and other factors also play a role in a vehicle's reliability. However, choosing a car from a reliable brand and model increases the likelihood of a trouble-free ownership experience. When shopping for a car, be sure to research the specific model's reliability, read reviews from reputable sources, and consider the manufacturer's track record in producing reliable vehicles. By doing so, you can make an informed decision and enjoy a reliable car that meets your needs and expectations. Making an informed and reliable car purchase. When it comes to purchasing a car, it's essential to be well informed and make a reliable choice. From creating a budget to researching and test driving, there are several steps you can take to ensure a reliable car purchase. Consulting with a trusted mechanic or car expert can also provide valuable insights. Let's dive into each of these subsections in more detail. Creating a budget for a reliable car. Before you start searching for a car, it's crucial to establish a budget. Setting a realistic budget will help you narrow down your options and ensure you can afford a reliable vehicle. Consider factors such as your monthly income, expenses, and savings. Determine how much you can comfortably allocate for car-related expenses, including the purchase price, insurance, fuel, maintenance, and repairs. Having a clear budget in mind will guide you in making a reliable car purchase that aligns with your financial situation. Researching and test driving reliable cars. Once you've established your budget, it's time to research reliable cars that fit within your price range. Look for models with a reputation for dependability and a track record of reliability. Pay attention to factors such as durability, safety features, fuel efficiency, and maintenance costs. Online resources, such as customer reviews, expert ratings, and reliability reports, can provide valuable insights into a car's performance and longevity. However, research alone is not enough. Test driving the cars you're interested in is crucial to assess their reliability firsthand. Schedule appointments with dealerships or private sellers and thoroughly inspect and test drive each vehicle. Pay attention to the engine performance, braking, handling, and overall comfort. Take note of any unusual sounds or warning signs that might indicate potential issues. Testing the car yourself will give you a better understanding of its reliability and whether it suits your specific needs. Consulting with a trusted mechanic or car expert. Even if you conduct thorough research and test drive multiple cars, seeking the advice of a trusted mechanic or car expert can provide an additional layer of assurance. These professionals have extensive knowledge and experience in evaluating the reliability of vehicles. Consider taking a short list of your preferred car options to a reputable mechanic and ask for their expert opinion. A mechanic can perform a comprehensive inspection of the cars, identifying any potential issues that may not be apparent to the average buyer. They can assess the condition of important components such as the engine, transmission, brakes, and suspension. Their assessment will give you peace of mind and ensure you make an informed and reliable car purchase. In summary, creating a budget, researching and test driving reliable cars, and consulting with a trusted mechanic are essential steps to making an informed and reliable car purchase. By following these steps, you'll increase your chances of finding a vehicle that not only fits your budget but also meets your reliability requirements. In conclusion, purchasing a reliable car is crucial for ensuring a stress-free and cost-effective ownership experience. By following the tips and guidelines outlined in this car purchasing reliability guide, you can make an informed decision and choose a vehicle that meets your needs and budget. Remember to research and compare different car models, check their reliability ratings, and thoroughly inspect the vehicle before making a final decision. Taking the time to do your due diligence will pay off in the long run, as you'll be able to enjoy a dependable and trustworthy car for years to come. Happy car shopping! Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of automotive reliability. We hope you found our guide informative and helpful in your car purchasing decisions. Remember, making a reliable choice is key to enjoying your vehicle for years to come. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and expert advice going forward. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver to stay connected with the latest updates. Until next time, drive safely and confidently. Thank you for watching.